If you're wanting to build an online course or ready to launch, but you're not sure whether to host it on ThriveCart or LearnWorlds, this video is for you. I'll walk through the features, pricing, course setup, and which platform fits best for your goals. I've linked both platforms below, along with some free downloads that you can have and tutorials that I've created on these platforms. You'll also find my affiliate links for both LearnWorlds and ThriveCart, which comes with my free offer launch toolkit bonus to help you get started faster. So check out the description. I have tons of resources for you down there. First, ThriveCart. What is ThriveCart? So ThriveCart is a powerful checkout and sales platform for creators who want to sell digital products, memberships, or even physical items. You can create professional checkout pages with their tons and tons of templates, add order bumps, offer one-click upsells or downsells, and set up payment plans. It includes ThriveCart Learn, which lets you host your courses and memberships all in one place. If you upgrade to Pro Plus, you get extra tools like affiliate tracking, automatic sales tax, and advanced reporting. The basic plan is a one-time payment at the time of this recording for just $495 for lifetime access, and then Pro Plus is an additional $295 per year, which gives you flexibility as your business grows. LearnWorlds is a full online course platform designed to help you create an interactive learning experience. You can add quizzes, certificates, and student communities all within one system. It's perfect for creators who want to build a professional branded online academy. ThriveCart and LearnWorlds serve creators in different ways. ThriveCart is built for selling. You get conversion-focused checkouts, upsells, order bumps, and an affiliate system in the Pro Plus plan. You can host your courses through Learn Plus, so everything ties into your sales funnel. And LearnWorlds is built for teaching. It offers interactive courses, layouts, quizzes, and certificates, and student analytics to help you create a branded learning experience. ThriveCart gives you flexibility and long-term savings, while LearnWorlds gives you a complete academic-style platform for your students. The main difference comes down to focus and setup style. ThriveCart is all about speed and sales. It integrates with nearly every major business tool, gives you conversion data, and lets you move quickly from setup to launch. LearnWorlds is more in-depth. It's built for student engagement with built-in communities, tools, progress tracking, and more customization for branding. ThriveCart is perfect if you want to sell quick and scale multiple offers, and LearnWorlds fits for creators who want to build a more immersive learning experience. Pricing is one of the biggest differences between these two platforms. ThriveCart has a one-time payment of $495 for lifetime access. Yes, lifetime access, plus the option to upgrade to Pro Plus upgrade for $295 per year at the time of this recording. And that offers affiliate tools, advanced reporting, automatic sales tax, and so many more features. Even with the upgrade, you save thousands over time. Now, LearnWorld starts with a subscription around $29 a month and goes up to nearly $300 a month, depending on your plans and features. The higher tiers in LearnWorlds unlock things like white labeling and certificates. With ThriveCart, you own it for life. With LearnWorlds, you pay as long as you want access and updates. Which platform is best for you? ThriveCart is best for creators who care about flexibility, control, scaling multiple offers over time. It's ideal for coaches, course sellers, or digital product creators who want to build strong sales funnels and keep costs low. LearnWorlds is perfect for teachers, trainers, and education-focused businesses. It's designed for creators who want everything built in: courses, community, certificates, and engagement tools without connecting multiple systems. ThriveCart helps you sell more and scale more efficiently, while LearnWorlds helps you teach better and deliver an incredible student experience. When it comes to sales and marketing, ThriveCart is built for conversions, while LearnWorlds is built for simplicity. With ThriveCart, you can customize your checkout pages, add one-click upsells, order bumps, and even run your own affiliate program through Pro Plus plan. It integrates easily with your favorite email or CRM tools for full marketing automation. LearnWorlds connects to checkout directly to each course page. It offers coupons, bundles, and built-in email tools for student follow-ups, but it has fewer customization options. ThriveCart gives you control and flexibility to optimize every sale. LearnWorlds keeps everything connected in one streamlined system. When it comes to course experience and support, LearnWorlds has more in-depth, while ThriveCart keeps things simple and streamlined. With ThriveCart Learn Plus, you get clean layouts for lessons, videos, and downloads, perfect for creators who want to launch quickly. It doesn't include built-in communities, but you can connect it to Facebook or Circle if you want that added integration. LearnWorlds is designed for engagement. You can create interactive layouts with quizzes, notes, and certificates, plus host communities directly inside your course area. Both offer great support. ThriveCart has tutorials, and I also create tutorials on ThriveCart on this YouTube channel. It has an interactive user community, while LearnWorlds provides 27 live chat and onboarding help. ThriveCart is ideal for fast setup and selling. LearnWorlds is best if you want full interactive learning support. So here's my final recommendation. If your goal is to sell and scale efficiently, ThriveCart is my top pick for you. It gives you full control of your upsells, checkout, and affiliate system with lifetime access. This is personally what I use to host my courses, ebook, and membership. But if you want to focus on creating a polished student experience with built-in communities and progress tracking, LearnWorlds is an amazing all-in-one platform. In the description, you'll find both affiliate links for them. When you grab through ThriveCart through my link, you'll get my offer launch toolkit for free to help you set up your first product faster. And while you're in the description, make sure you grab my sales page template and other free resources that I have for you. Either way, whichever platform that you choose, it's going to be a great decision. So create your course. They're so exciting. They're so fun to create. You've got this. I'm excited for you. Now, if you want a full deep dive on ThriveCart, standard versus pro, plus in deciding which one is best for you, check out this video here.